Hi everyone, today is the day 3 of building my goals and habits Notion template. So the reason why I was doing this in the first place is I was tracking my habits in Google Sheets and my goals in Notion. I wasn't even tracking my goals, I was just writing them down there and reading it from time to time. But I wanted to create one space where I can see that my goals, my actions lead to my habits, my actions lead to my goals. So that's why I'm building the Notion template, but it works differently in Notion. So in the columns, they have properties and they kind of rule everything. So it's not like in sheets that I can just in a row I put my habit and in a column I put the day and just have the calculation and the percentage. It works differently in Notion and I have to figure out how to do it, but yeah, it's just the beginning, so we'll get there. That's about it, and see you in the next one.